I don't know, maybe there's a few questions. So we give only 5 people to ask questions. I have another thing I want to teach you. Okay, I'll fold the money again. I think it should be, it's not difficult. The money is like this. Okay, you fold it outside first, then you fold inside, outside, inside, outside, inside, outside, until you get 7. It's simple, it's very simple. Something like this. Even this one is okay. If you don't get a bigger one like this one, you can just put this one inside. You can just fix it. Try and fix it inside. Okay? Something like this one, but it must be taken from the sea on a full moon day. The box can be anywhere, but it must be a wooden box. It shouldn't be anything metal or plastic. The amount, you can decide to put even 200 Ghana cedis in it. That's up to you. But if I'm you, I'll put 200 cedis. Ragofi, I will take 5 questions. Okay, say spiritual things become effective when we make incantations or we do affirmations. Powerful. You think of that thing and then you issue some words. Words become very powerful when we connect that with concentration. And until the you have to say it. How do I say? And any ritual biano, you must say something on it, because words are very powerful and the words can activate the power in the ritual now. Oh yeah. And in the olden days when they are pouring libation, they say things. Okay? So the more you say things with emotions, with feelings, it manifests whatever, like whatever it is, you'll be able to manifest that in the ritual through the words now. Why? And I think the question the lady asked here, I answered. It should be a wooden box. It shouldn't be a plastic or metal. It should be wooden. And this thing is powerful. Don't play with it. You should go and do it. It's good. I get his question. So his question is, I've said several times, oh, baby, I'll be to me charging a full moon. So you want to find out, oh, will you be here? Is it important for you to charge it? It's not necessary, just keep it there. You just do it one day, and that is it. I have some of these things, I don't even bring them out. It's just somewhere. Keep it somewhere.
Mr. Car box.
Where there? So you try and get the one the hole is a little bit bigger. You can see my example pen and the somebody want to find out say why they children now and be to the best of my knowledge, in a way, when I hear what the answer, just keep it there.
Wow.
To the best of my knowledge, yeah, Sister Baku, beside me, said, the American we know example, Namedema. So you get the one a little bit bigger. So the Bayabo both can serve anywhere, you'll be able to fix it into the shell. Okay, the first question. I will take the second question first. Please pay attention. Maybe I'll be something me out, so just listen. Sikano, what they say, a message them. Oh, yeah, ritual biana, what they sikaka. That is the seed money. So when you use super, the ritual is done unless we have pro. So make sure this money is not used. And with this ritual, no. There's another thing I don't want to go there, but this ritual, I just only one. Put it there. You have another one. You put money inside, and that one, when you put money, it doubles in the box. Wait, pay attention, listen. Listen. Please pay attention and listen to me. Please pay attention and listen. Say, let me tell you one thing. I would have loved to say some of these things, and you just give. But there is something we call half knowledge. Half knowledge is very dangerous. Yes. I taught you some ritual be Nipami and San and Ebame, they were able to make money from this ritual. It was not even up to a month when my personal spiritual master called me. He chastised me on the phone and insulted me that why do you give such a power to the hands of ignorant people? Do you know they are abusing what you taught? So some of these things, you cannot teach. I wouldn't have loved to teach you. Sika is very good. Money is important.
It is.
But people abuse what you teach. It minimizes your own power. So what I've taught you, just keep it. Because the same ritual, there's another one continuation of it. You will need some items you put alongside with the money in the box. And after 21 days, the money multiplies. This one, God knows. But we don't take this. If somebody's with you for a long time, you study the person, you know the person, how he behaves, then you can give the person such a gift. And you'll be on the behavior problem. These boys I'm talking about, according to my master, I didn't even know. One of them, just because he got this money within 1 month, he was making plans to have a second wife. So he told me, sir, do you know, sir, one of these your students is making plans of getting married a second wife because, when you're scared. Okay, so some of these things, what the idea may be, I'm not one, but no, problem. So please, if you understand. But the actually, and yet very serious ritual, a simple one will be a bit near about wow, I'm a normal, and to say, this morning I was talking to them about something in the house, right? I was talking to you about it. Cash, life, 10 million, 20 billion, whatever. Money is there, you can do, but these rituals, it comes with a lot of principles and restrictions. To one way, now, Uma will be half knowledge, and the person can harm himself or herself with this kind of knowledge. So go and do that.
Another one.
I beg you. And then there is another thing I would like to teach you about the moon. I mean about the sea and the moon also. First thing is like our page on Facebook Transformations. Boko YouTuber now wako subscribe to our channel Transformation Era. And na opeswa obetimi download do your app no Transformation Radio app. All the videos are there. The video bi amaye bia no Transformation Radio app no. Obetimi ahwe video no. Ana obefa numbers yi. Na wa contact the office and say me pa cho me person me join Transformation no. So number is 0245 006467. Then second number is 0302 918808. Or contact number now, there's no need calling. Just send a message. Please, me will Sunyane, me will Kumasi, me will US. I want to join Transformation. Just short message. Nipa ne best send the contact number of the executive number of that area now person joining. Our groups, we pay for registration because your members they will be an ID card.